Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are looking at a brand new sub box. I found another one. Um, and there's another new one coming at some point. It's coming from the UK, so it's for January. And their postal system is on strike a lot, so I don't know when that's coming, but there's another new one to look forward to. But this one is from Cora Crea or Crea, I'm not sure, Crafts. So in one of my Vlogmas videos, at the end of a few of them, I was unboxing stuff I had gotten in the mail, and some of the stuff was from this company, and I saw the sub box and I was like, let's get the sub box. That looks really cool. So first of all, look at this box. Like, this is gorgeous all by itself. Like, seriously, this is really pretty. So I'm probably going to keep that and store things in it because I have lots of things that need to be stored. And then you open it up and it looks like this. I really like this tissue paper, so I really don't want to rip it. I can totally use this in a journal or something. Okay, did pretty good. One small hole. Alright, now let's get all this stuff out of the box and see what we have here. Okay, so I got everything out of the box. So you get this very pretty card. It says, "Thank you so much for your order and supporting our small business. We hope you enjoy the products you ordered and have fun creating. This order was packed with love by Raina. Questions or concerns, you can email them," and then all their social media on the back. If anyone wants to, like, pause the video, take a screenshot, use the QR code to go see all their stuff, go right ahead. Okay, and then this tells us what's in the box. So this is the Writers and Artists December 2022 sub box. So there's die cut burnt paper washi, Shakespeare washi tape, clear stamps, writers and artists, and there's 2 sets of stamps, and ex libris wooden stamp. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know what that means. Writers and poets notepad, calligraphy sticker set, and 2 newspaper sheets. So let's see what's in here because this stuff is like super cool. Oh, and next month's, which I've already been charged for, so it's coming for February, or January rather, sorry, is Enchanted Forest. It's the fan choice of 2022, so that's cool. Enchanted Forest, that sounds good. Alright, so we have this very clear stamp on a wood block, and that's what it will look like when you stamp it. This is that ex libra, like libris, I don't know, we're gonna have to look it up and find out what that means. So that's cool. And then we've got 2 sets, I know there's glare, of clear stamps. So we've got like the quill pens, and I don't know if this is actually a stamp, but it says Cora Crea Crafts. Crea, I feel bad, I gotta find out how to pronounce that. We've got like a circle, we've got some ink blots, we've got a wax seal on some rope, an open book, some burnt paper with writing on it, and then like parchment with writing on it. And we've got a museum bust, glasses, and then we've got like this hand with a circle or a pen with a circle. Oh, maybe that's supposed to be like an inkwell. Here's the inkwell with the quill, and here's somebody holding, I'm not sure if that's I think that might be a paintbrush. And then you've got more like splotches, and then this one again. So again, I still don't know if that's a stamp or if it's just decorative. It looks like it's a stamp, but that's neat. So, oh, and this is a palette knife. So it's very cool. Very, very cool. You know, I love stamps. Alright, so this is the calligraphy sticker sheet. So these are vellum stickers, and it's called Authors and Poets Stickers. Very neat. These banners remind me of like Harry Potter. Okay, now the really cool thing, you get newspaper sheets. So this is really good if you like junk journaling or for a reading journal or really anything you want to use it for. So you can cut these up and they're blank on the other side. So you don't have to like choose between 2 really cool things you might want to use. They're blank on the other side. So you get the whole thing on this side, the whole thing on this side. Like here's Shakespeare, a dirge by William Shakespeare. And then you've got this, Keepers of History, and then largest cuckoo clock outside the Black Forest. You got pocket watches down here, talking about watchmaking. You've got a little quote from Emily Dickinson, and then you've got Emily Dickinson, like a whole thing about her. And then we've got the Orangery Museum, Camera Obscura, palettes, interesting facts about the life of artists, and just some really cool artwork. So this is super cool. I've never seen this before, and I really like this. I think this is going to be awesome in my reading journal. It's just going to be really cool. Okay, and then we've got this little notebook. So this is the Writers and Poets notepad. So there are 60 pages with 10 designs, and they're 80 by 105 millimeters, but I only do American measurements, so I don't know what that means. But there's like really neat stuff in here that you can like tear or write on, glue in, whatever you want to, stamp on them, do whatever you want to do with them, and that is just so neat. So they do like repeat, which is good, because if you want more than one of something, you have it. So I like this. And then we've got washi tapes. This one I'm super interested in. This is the one, where's that new thing I bought? This is really cool. This is on Amazon, by the way. The palette knife, not the sub box. Wow, like the texture on this is really, really cool. Where does it start? Okay, that's really cool. You also have to be really careful so that you don't rip it. But look at that. Look at how cool that is. Whoa, careful, careful. Like seriously, how cool is that? That is awesome. Oh, no, I want to use all of you, so go back on the roll. Okay, like this is like borders. Oh. Alright, you guys are going to be seeing this again really soon. Oh man, this is awesome. I just want to get it back on the roll. Oh wow, that is so cool. And it's got like all the stamps and stuff throughout, which is really neat. And then this one is, I think, the Shakespeare one. I always hate having to damage these stickers on the edges because they're cute. I'm gonna have to save one of these and like undo it off of here because it'll need to go in the washi book. Or I guess I could get it. Oh, I could stamp it because I have a stamp. Perfect. Okay. So let's see. Nobler in the mind to suffering. What? And then to die to slush. Okay. So I'm not sure what the deal is here. I think it's just kind of like random lines of Shakespeare. And it repeats. So like I can't make sense of it. So I think it's just random Shakespeare lines on here. With like the little decorative, like there's cameras, there's candles and skulls and books, and there was like a little Shakespeare back there. So this is cool. I just don't understand it, but like, you know, for random words and stuff, that's really neat. And it is this like cool old parchment color, like tea stained paper color. So that's really cool. So that was everything in this box. This box is not expensive. It was like $20 something. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was 20 something. It's possible that it's 30 something. But I'll put the details in the description. So yeah, so this is really, I like this a lot. We will definitely be getting more of these and seeing if I like all of them, or if this is just like a one-off fluke. You never know. So this is everything that was in there. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.